Jessica Lupepel ngese balebe e Akoraki Apugan Apugan Apuser kanweke uneja utenekese lo aijar.
Now we go. One of them, as she has said, was wired to their account. The second one is the reason we are here today. And the third one remains pending, but it will also be handled. To the rest of the Ugandans, that when we utilize this peace and security well and in a unified way, we can move to the level economically which we all desire to move to. I want to thank the widows for being a very good example. So invest, plan for your economic activities, well knowing that there will always be peace and security in our country.
Every time
Peter Pex Park RCC loko soroti ngese balebe e joki boreni swama otapugan nako NRM ai topoli tungalu kwa ilipite medauna kalu aturakita ai tosome jok.
There are a number of promises or pledges that have been fulfilled, but my humble appeal is we as leaders should continue or join the president to rally our people to embrace all the government programs aimed at socio-economic transformation. As we do this, we put in mind the four ideological principles of our party. That is patriotism, Pan-Africanism, democracy, and finally, socio-economic transformation.
Beatrice Omese, Apollo Necholongolo Teso Widows Development Association, ngesi shala mikita tupitone president, kanwai tunukes, kedatu rakita.
Kwenye malange dekelo la paki na lolo, ayauna tractor, ayauna tractor, isiriginda 50 million kwa pono enake na isolo ageuta swam kwenye district na American. Dode inya kunete kesi nyakare tibeki kiche district ndao. Malai monoi nejai toto High Excellency, the Vice President of Uganda, Dr. Alupo, yalama sone jaijo. Raija beruna ilaija kwa nakon, ilaeta ukon, ilae moyo kon, nare dini la jokan, nesingoni lo ingara nakini, apuseru mkedikoko kitungali kudase, yala ngoni, nare chamutisha biraijo esta kosi na no Uganda, no ineja sapuse. Loige untise borelo keditunga kwa tarei, onilo lineroni teso kere, adoloti lukumini, akaisauna lukanyape, alema adeparda doli wadi.
Anuka TV East, Abraham Elapu Koibuga Soroti. Hakuna mwenye anaweza kufanya